What's up, guys, and welcome back to another math puzzle. And this one has been co-created with one of my students named Sawyer. Shout out to Sawyer. Thank you for this collaboration. She's a big fan of musicals, hence all these characters are from musicals. I don't remember who they are, but it's a pretty cool puzzle, so let's go for it. If you want to give this puzzle a try, hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. All right, let's do it. So we look at this puzzle, it's very interesting because all of these characters have a distinct value and we're trying to identify the value of each character, and it doesn't change going from here to the bottom, right? And there's also some fun stuff because there's some hidden little pictures within the puzzle that you also want to be on the lookout for. So let's do it. First, we have this one plus this one equals 100. Okay, and I believe this is a character from Beetlejuice, from the Beetlejuice play. Beetlejuice was a favorite movie of mine growing up, so that's kind of cool. I do know her. So what number plus itself equals 100? Well, of course, that is 50. So we got this value of 50, and that's pretty good. Then we've come down here and we say 50 times some number equals 3,800. Well, how do we figure out what that number is? Of course, we can reverse that, do the inverse operation, and say 3,800 divided by 50 will give me that answer. So I can set it up right here, right? 3,800 divided by 50. This is the same as 380 divided by 5, a little bit easier. 5 goes into 38 7 times, and we got 35. Bring down the 0. 5 goes into 36 times. So there's our answer. We know that this guy is worth 76. Okay, now we come down here. Again, we've got this value of 50, and we're doing 50 divided by what equals 25? Well, of course, half of 50 is 25. So this one right here is a value of 2. Now we come to the last line, the last equation, and this is where it gets interesting. So we want to put in all the values. We got 50 here, and we got this one equaling 2. But now here's where some of the little tricks come in, okay? So we want to look very carefully at this guy, and you notice we've got two little characters right there and right there that we have to take heed of. So this guy alone is 76, but then we have this value of 2, and then we have this value of 50. And when they're all kind of together, we're looking at them as grouped together via addition, all right? So these guys are being added together. So we got 6 plus 2, which is 8, and then 7 plus 5 is 12. So this whole mix of characters here is 128. Now the last little trick comes down to order of operations. You do enough of these puzzles, you're never going to forget proper order of operations, and we know that multiplication comes before addition. So we don't add 50 plus 128 and multiply by 2. We multiply first, then we add. So what's 2 times 128? That's 256. Then we take that 256 and we add it to 50, right? And we get 306 for our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please give it a like. And if you want to see more from the Math Puzzle channel, make sure to click that subscribe button. New puzzles dropping every week. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.